When it comes to meetings, keeping individuals on track while efficiently and effectively collaborating as a team can be a difficult task, especially with more and more employees finding themselves working remotely. Having well-rounded contributions from meeting attendees are how problems are solved, and 3D Lean helps do just that. Let's see how Pete, Dan, and Eric make the best use of their time as they jump into a 3D Lean team meeting. Pete starts his day by logging into the 3D Experience platform and accessing the company's customized dashboard. He spends a few minutes and reviews the collaborative community, which is a much more intuitive way to share and communicate with his coworkers. Pete sees that it's about time for this week's project meeting, so he navigates over to the Team Meetings tab on his dashboard and sees that Eric and Dan have logged in remotely and are ready to contribute. 3D Lean offers unlimited options for creating customized boards. For this call, Pete uses virtual sticky notes directly on a task board to record unresolved problems and recommended actions. The meeting starts with Dan raising the issue of changing the way the rider controls the shredder and proposes a different approach to controlling the direction. Pete creates a new sticky note and marks it as a problem, highlighting the need for an improved riding experience. This is then moved to the to-do column. Problem notes allow for additional action notes that can be added and kept associated. The first action item needed is the board design to be finalized. This is where the rider will stand during the operation of the shredder. The second action item is for the pivoting system to be designed and integrated into the drive system. Pete can then assign individuals to each of these items, Eric for the pivot design and Dan to take on the board. The team agrees to get started on this part of the design. Pete navigates over the team's action log where each note has been populated from the previous board. Pete moves these into the tomorrow bin to track expectations on each task and when they will begin. 3D Lean boards can be customized for all sorts of discussions, including ideation sketches. Pete navigates over to another team board that has been added specifically for capturing concepts, and Dan begins to sketch. Dan's input from his tablet is immediately visible to everyone through 3D Lean without any third-party screen sharing applications needed. Pete and Eric add feedback to Dan's design, adding notes regarding dimensional constraints, manufacturing concerns, and other aspects of the design are all captured in real time. Before the team starts on these changes, Pete will need to get final approval. 3D Lean has captured all of the relevant information from this meeting in one spot and can now be organized into a simple-to-follow presentation format for playback. Keeping meetings collaborative and concise with 3D Lean helps Pete and his team stay engaged and encourages contribution. Now, with everyone on the same page with the next prioritized steps, let's check in with Dan and see how he approaches the board design with 3D Experience SOLIDWORKS.